Follow all these steps for best results. Step number 1. Enable fast startup option. Open control panel. Set view by to small icon view. Open power options. Click on choose what the power buttons do option. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then check this box of fast startup. If you don't have it on your list, here's how you enable it. Minimize the window and right-click on the Windows icon. Open Windows Terminal as admin. Type powercfg /hibernate on. And hit enter. Now open the control panel and refresh the window. Then turn on fast startup. Step number 2. Virtual memory settings. Open this PC. Right-click and open Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. Go to Advanced tab and click on Performance Settings. Click on Advanced. Then select Change. Now uncheck this automatic setting and select Custom Size. Now set initial size to your recommended size. In my case it's 1915. Then set maximum size as double as your recommended size. In my case it's 3830. Click Set and OK. Step number 3. Disable Linux subsystem. Open search window and type Windows features. Hit Enter. Scroll down as you find Windows subsystem for Linux file. Uncheck that option. Step number 4. Disable startup programs. Open Task Manager by hitting Ctrl-Shift and Escape keys. Then go to Startup tab. Then disable all the unnecessary startup tasks. If you're not sure what to disable, simply ask me on the comment section. Step number 5. Check errors on disk. Right-click on your OS drive and open Properties. Click on Tools tab and hit Check Errors. Click Scan Drive. Extra tip: buy a SSD if you can afford it. Then install Windows on it. SSDs are way more faster than a HDD. Check this video on the screen now. Yeet.